Hey everybody, Nathan Fowkes here, and it is time. We are bringing my portrait drawing class online to schoolism.com. I've taught portrait drawing for many years in the classroom. I've even taught at Disney and other studios, and now I'm so excited to bring the class to you. So in the class, we will learn the tools, the techniques, the principles that will let you observe your subject and create the illusion of life on that two-dimensional piece of paper with a beautiful piece of charcoal. You're gonna love it! Well, maybe not all of it, but that's the point. We're not teaching a formula here. We're gonna give you all the options and show you the possibilities, because in all these years of teaching life drawing and working with students, we have made every single mistake possible, and we've had to sit down and figure out what went wrong and why. And you'll be surprised how clear and easy the solutions can be as you find that simple statement that will bring out the light, the shadow, and the personality of your subject. Every week is going to be filled with tutorials, demonstrations recorded live for you, showing a wide range of subjects, approaches, lighting scenarios, and solutions. We're going to get you good at this. And all of you out there, you've been looking for a reason and an opportunity to work on your life drawing chops, to turn that moment with your subject into something special, and to turn drawing from the frustration that it sometimes is into something you absolutely enjoy. For personalized study with me, where I'll work with you directly, or for a self-study subscription where you can work at your own pace. Join me here at schoolism.com. We're going to do some drawing. I will see you guys soon.